Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can able to send a SMS using GSM modem and Arduino. Actually this is a tutorial video. So in this tutorial you can learn how to send a SMS from GSM modem using Arduino. So for that we required components, Arduino UNO, GSM modem, SIM900A, jumper cables and power cable, USB power cable, which is used to program the Arduino. So let us see how to connect a GSM modem with Arduino. So in GSM modem we need to give 4 connections. So 2 is power supply and 2 is the data. So we need to give positive terminal to positive and the ground to ground. So here I am connecting positive terminal and the negative terminal with the Arduino and the GSM modem. And coming to the next connection, this is a very important connection. In the Arduino you can see there is a TX and RX. So one is a transmitter and another is a receiver. The same thing in the GSM modem also there is a TX and RX. So here you need to connect the RX pin from the Arduino to the TX pin of GSM modem. At the same time the TX pin of Arduino will be connected to the RX pin of GSM modem. So this is a basic connection. We need to connect these 4 connections, and then we need to insert a SIM card. Actually this is a 2G modem, so I am inserting a 2G SIM card, a normal Airtel SIM card. So and then now the connection is finished. Before giving the power supply we need to verify the power supply was given to the correct nodes. If we give wrong connections the entire circuit get damaged. So the second part is the programming part. So actually I give this program in the description part, so you can copy the code. So this is the basic procedure of the sending SMS. So basically this entire concept will be work on AT commands. They called as AT commands. So here you can customize to which number the SMS to be sent, what is the content we need to send, and what are all the procedures, on which condition the SMS to be sent. Everything we can able to configure here. Now in this demonstration I am going to show you. It will repeatedly send the SMS with particular time interval to a particular number. So after uploading this program into the Arduino, you can see in the command prompt the AT command is executing the SMS. So if you are getting a confirmation from the AT command, so you can get a SMS in your mobile. Here you can see I received a SMS, subscribe to Naren Projects, to my personal number. So guys, so this is how we are going to send the SMS using Arduino and GSM. If you require more details about this concept, you can contact our executive. The free guidance will be provided to integrate this GSM modem with Arduino. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.